Hello and welcome to Culminate Your Life. Today I'm going to be sharing a DIY tutorial for a wonderful series. This series is called Buttons and Pearls. And so we're going to explore how we can make beautiful, affordable items from buttons and pearls. So this will be the first of several DIYs that I'll be sharing with you. Today's tutorial will focus on buttons, these beautiful button hair clips. If you'd like to see how I achieved this look, please continue to watch. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Okay guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. So as you can see, I have laid out 3 sets of hair clips along with the buttons that we will, and the embellishments that we will need to complete this project. The hair clips were purchased from Dollar Tree. You can find them probably any Walmart, Dollar Tree, Target, anywhere that sells hair accessories. And the actual buttons, I purchased those from Joann's. Okay, and as you can see here, I have these red little roses. They come in a pack where you can get maybe like 10 of them, and I believe I purchased those from Walmart a while back. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you what I did. All you're going to do is to take the hair clip and you're going to take the button and you're going to adhere it to it just like that. And now I have already glued the little flowers onto the button, but I'm using my hot glue gun. You could also use E6000 or any type of craft glue for a permanent bond. So I've already glued the buttons on this set, and I've already glued the buttons together on this set. And all I did was just layer them. And then on this one, these are like a chocolate brown with a camouflage button. With the little turquoise inset. So I didn't glue these ones down just so that you could actually see me actually put the actual buttons together. So let's go ahead and start there. So this is a very simple project, and not only is it a great simple project, but it's also inexpensive, and you can always add bow ribbon or lace if you prefer. Totally up to you. Just put that in just like that and hold it. Okay. And please excuse my hoarseness, but I am trying to get over a very, very bad cold and sinus infection. So that's why you guys haven't seen much of me lately. I've been really under the weather, but I wanted to come on and share this project with you guys. So I am going to be doing a button and pearls series for you guys, and just showing you different ways that you can use buttons and pearls. So be on the lookout for that. So let's go ahead and glue these down. wanted to bring you a project that was very simple and easy to do at home. Now, most of you guys know, if you've been watching for a while, you're very familiar with my little granddaughter, Miss Nugget. And so I thought I'd make some of these for her. And then just let that set. And then you're going to do the same thing on this side. Just put an ample amount of glue just to make sure it adheres. So look what you have. You just created button hair clips. And again, you can always add ribbon, small piece of ribbon, or you could actually add lace around this part if you so choose to. Totally up to you. And I love these because you can kind of experiment with, you know, with color, different color palettes and that sort of thing, and you can really create some really pretty hair accessories for your little granddaughters or for your daughters, and these would also make very nice little gifts as well for children. I mean, even adults could use these depending on, you know, what types of buttons and that sort of thing that you decide to use. Just give those a chance. These would be nice to wear to church. I just love them. You just want to make sure that you get these centered properly. Very simple. Another one of my ABC DIYs for you guys. Trying to keep it real simple and easy for you. Bring you projects that you guys feel like you can do at home on your own. And this will definitely save you some money. Because hair accessories are not cheap in this day and time. Well, nothing is, but for our little natural hair babies, which her mother says, my daughter-in-law says Miss Nugget is going to be a natural baby, so she won't have any perms or kitty perms or anything like that being put in her hair. So it's always nice to be able to doll it up with headbands or hair bows or what have you. And her hair is on the shorter side right now. It's starting to grow. But these are really nice if you have if you don't have a lot of hair, but you just want to add a cute little hair accessory. And you of course could use one or both. But these would be, again, nice for babies, as children, and also women. You could even get the larger size ones that you can use for women. Okay. And so, there you have it, all three. This concludes this tutorial I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that it will be helpful for you. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel and click the notifications bell to make sure that you don't miss any of our postings. Leave me a comment down in the comment section and follow us over on our social media platforms. All of the links will be down in the description box. Thanks again for watching. We love you. Be blessed, stay favored, and we'll see you in the next video.